5 words in its name, and just about 800 horses in its engine bay. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a GT Spirit Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye. The color is Go Mango, the scale is 118, and the part number is US041. Let's dig in. So as soon as I picked up this model after unboxing it, I felt its weight, which made me happy. Almost right away, it felt like this is one of those models which won't be available for too long. It's not necessarily the most amazing or well-built, although it's pretty nice. But most of the 118 scale Chargers out there are second generation, and we don't exactly get a lot of these modern ones from a reputable manufacturer. There are subtle differences between the Hellcat and the Hellcat Redeye, such as the wheels, the vents configuration on the hood, the car keys SRT badges, and of course, the tiny red jewel in the Hellcat emblem on the fender. The key change, however, is the upgraded supercharger on the Redeye, which takes the specs up from 707 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque on the factory Hellcat to 797 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque on the Redeye. Here's the first ever Charger SRT Hellcat, which was released in 2015. The design of the front of the car looks pretty menacing. Just imagine seeing this shape in your rearview mirror. I've got another GT Spirit Hellcat in Tour Red, which I plan to film along my SRT Demon, which is incidentally in the same color. To be honest, one can never have enough Mopar. I like how the heated rear glass is detailed here. There's a Redeye emblem on either side of the front fender, as a nice reminder that 707 horses aren't sufficient, and you're lucky enough to get an extra 90. The wheels are a bit difficult to rotate, but I'm used to GT Spirit by now, and it doesn't really bother me. I think most diecast collectors feel this way. This Go Mango color, which is a shade of orange with some red in it, works well with the black parts of the car. The front grille, front and rear vents, hood, roof, tires, and the spoiler. The rear of the model has all the emblems and badges, and they're nicely placed. It also has the rear vents in the bumper, just in case the car wasn't as fast as a frickin' rocket already. I got this one off eBay about 4 years ago from one of my favorite sellers. This is another one of those models which I would have liked to have openings, but it's still a nice one regardless. If you like Mopar, it's almost unconscionable not to have a newer gen Charger or Challenger in your collection, so even in resin, this could be an example. And that's that.